women wonder where my secret lies, I'm not cute or built to suit a fashion model size. But when I start to tell them, they think I'm telling lies. I say, it's the swing of my arms, the span of my hips, the stride of my step, the curl of my lips. I am a woman, phenomenally phenomenal woman. That's me. I walk into a room just as cool as you please. And to a man, the fellows stand or fall down on their knees. They swarm around me, a hive of honeybees. I say it's the fire in my eyes, the flash of my teeth, the swing of my waist, the joy in my feet. I am a woman, phenomenally phenomenal woman. That's me. Now you wonder what you might see in me, because I don't walk around with my head down or shoulders lowered, and I don't jump or scream about. But I say it's the palm of my hand, the need for my care, the style of my smile, and the need for my care. I am a woman, phenomenally phenomenal woman. That's me. You are